Hello, and welcome back to this channel. To be honest, today I have really no clue what I really wanted to talk about in advance, so I just kind of came up with the idea. I was just going to be doing another aquaponics video. Definitely starting to run out of some ideas here and there, so if you guys want to kind of comment down any ideas of what we should talk about. We are kind of stalling a little bit right now, so we can kind of start everything for 2025. We just placed a big order for a lot of seeds. Aquaponics will be a very, very big series on this channel, so we're kind of stalling throughout the next week and a half, so we can kind of get ready for this huge upgrade and this giant setup we're going to start working on. So yeah, so what we're going to be talking about today is kind of like the setup we're really hoping to do with the aquaponics, from details to the seeds, all sorts of stuff. We do have a lot more information about the plants, what we're going to do with that. So yeah, so before we do start, please subscribe, hit the bell notification on all so you're not missing our video, and please like this video. Let's go and start today's video. Alright, so first of all, there's definitely a lot of plants we can get in here. There's 108 different holes in each hydroponic, so it's 108 plus 108, which is 216. So there's definitely a lot of plants we can get in here. I'm really hoping to do a lot of strawberries, depending on how the germination process does. We're really hoping to kind of have a ton up here. Definitely want to grow spearmint. We have a lot of lettuce we're going to be trying out. I think there's about 6 or 8 different kinds of lettuce we're going to be working on. Really want to grow tomatoes. Really want to grow maybe cilantro, parsley, definitely basil in this. Definitely a lot of plants, but we definitely have a lot of good areas to kind of store stuff. To be honest, I don't really know where I'm going to store it. I think I might go with maybe basil up here, because basil will need more light once the plants start to get about that size. And then the strawberries will go right there. Then, yeah, so to be honest, I don't really know exactly where I'm going to be putting stuff, because I don't really know how I'm going to divvy stuff up. Like lettuce will go in what system. I haven't done research about what would do better. If stuff would do better in the hydroponic or stuff would do better in the aquaponic system. So definitely we'll have to do a lot of research about that leading up to it. But other than that, that's kind of all I have for the plant news. The setup, we're going to have a lot of just normal aquarium type of stuff in here to make the fish pretty happy. We'll definitely be having a pump in here to have it go all the way up, have it empty out into the biofilter, have the bacteria and the fish water empty out onto the beads and filters and all the biofilter type of stuff. Then it'll empty out the other side, go into here, go throughout the entire system, and then it'll empty out in here. We have a lot of other things we have to think of, from having the water at a very constant temperature, which is going to be about 70 degrees, maybe a little lower, but 70 degrees is where we want our temperature to be at. And then we really want to have just kind of put more air into the tank, in both tanks, so there's more just air in the actual roots, and the plants can just have more air. So yeah, so there's definitely a lot of things we're really thinking of to just factor into trying to make this as successful as possible. There are a lot of chances of stuff going wrong, but at the end of the day, it's still fun. Even if it doesn't work, it's still a lot of great testing. For me, whatever didn't work for me, I'm going to be talking about on the channel, so you guys don't make the same mistake I am. But hopefully we don't have any mistakes, and we can kind of just focus on the actual technology of this actual setup, and we don't have to have all these problems happening. So that's kind of like the main plan, but just definitely ready for any problems that will be happening. Don't really know how I'm going to solve those problems, but once we do, hopefully I'll be able to figure them out very quickly. And if it's something that can be more temporary, hopefully we will be able to take that out within a day. Algae and stuff in the water might be a little bit harder, but other than that, it should be hopefully easy enough to run it. And before I do forget, we are adding a 3rd grow light to every single shelf, so every single one will have 3 grow lights, and each one will have its own fan. So that means there's going to be 6 fans going into the system. So definitely very excited about that. Hopefully that should solve more mold problems like what we've had in the past with the hydroponic systems. And yeah, So, this is going to end the video. If you guys like these types of videos, please subscribe, hit the bell notification on all so you not miss a video, and please like this video. I really appreciate all of you guys watching today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we post next. Peace.